Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to customize your icons on iOS device. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So to do this, you need to be updated into the latest version of the iOS, that is the 18.0.1, because with this update you are able to customize your icons on the iPhone. So check to see if your software is up to date or not. If it's not, you won't be able to change your icons. So if it's updated to the latest version, then what you need to do is simply long tap on your home screen, and now on long tapping you'll be provided with two options, that is edit and done on the top. Simply tap on edit, and then on tapping it you'll be provided with three options, that is add widget, then customize, and then edit pages. Simply tap on customize. Now on tapping customize you'll be provided with options like light, dark, automatic, and tinted as well. Now while selecting tinted, you'll be able to choose the color. Now all you gotta do is just simply choose the color that you want to keep it, and then simply tap on the home screen to successfully apply the customize. You can also keep the icon small or large as well. Simply select the small if you want to keep your icon small, or simply select on large to keep your icons large. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.